I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create and edit a playlist in Apple Music on your iPhone. So first, we're going to open up Apple Music by just searching music in our search bar. Once we have this open, we're going to click the library on the bottom middle section there. Then we'll go to playlist. We're probably going to want to sync our library on all your devices so you can get access to this playlist everywhere. So we'll click that. And then we're going to click the plus button on the top right there. And now we can name our playlist. And I'm just going to name it favorites. Now you can add a picture if you like so that it's more easy for you to find when you're scrolling through your playlists. You can have it show on your profile and in your search if you're going to search for this playlist. Let's say you have a lot and you want to type in the search bar favorites. Then it'll come up nice and easily for you. Once you're ready, click create. Now that we have our playlist created, we're going to tap add music and we'll just add whatever these last two things are. You search songs here. You can have your downloaded songs be added as well, but let's click done. Now if we want to edit this playlist, let's say we want to put songs in a different order or we want to delete songs, what we're going to do is tap the three dots on the top right, then we're going to click edit. Now you can see all of the songs in your playlist and you can tap to select one. And if I wanted to delete this one, I could. But first I'm going to show you how to change the order. The three lines on the right of each song, you can tap it, hold that, and then drag it up or down to reorder the songs. And then like I was saying, tap the little circle on the left. If you want to delete that, then you can just click the little trash can on the bottom left. It'll confirm, click delete, and now that song is not in your playlist. Now you know how to create and edit your playlists in Apple Music. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.